Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to start a YouTube channel in 2025. Whether you're a complete beginner with zero experience or looking to take your existing channel to the next level, this video will cover everything you need to know. We'll dive deep into choosing a profitable niche, setting up your channel for success, leveraging AI tools, creating viral content, and mastering the YouTube algorithm. By the end of this masterclass, you'll have all the knowledge and strategies to launch a thriving YouTube channel in 2025 and beyond. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about choosing a profitable and trending niche with high CPM and audience demand. In 2025, it's crucial to find a sweet spot between your passions and what's actually in demand. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube's trending page, and niche research platforms to identify topics that are gaining traction. Look for niches with high CPM rates, which means you'll earn more from ads. But remember, passion is key. You'll need to create content consistently. So choose a niche you genuinely enjoy. Once you've settled on your niche, it's time to dive deep into your target audience. Who are they? What are their pain points, desires, and interests? Understanding your audience is crucial for creating content that resonates and keeps them coming back for more. Use social media listening tools, read comments on popular videos in your niche, and even consider conducting surveys to gather valuable insights. Now, let's set up your channel for success. Your channel name, logo, and banner are the first things potential subscribers will see, so make them count. Choose a name that's catchy, easy to remember, and reflects your niche. Design a logo that stands out even as a small icon, and create a banner that clearly communicates what your channel is about. Remember, these elements should work together to create a cohesive brand identity. Don't overlook the importance of your channel's About section. This is prime real estate for SEO keywords that will help your channel show up in search results. Write a compelling description that not only explains what your channel offers, but also includes relevant keywords naturally. Think about what terms your potential audience might be searching for and incorporate them strategically. In 2025, AI tools are a game changer for content creators. Platforms like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm video ideas, write scripts, and even generate catchy titles and descriptions. While AI shouldn't replace your unique voice and creativity, it can certainly streamline your workflow and help you produce content more efficiently. When it comes to planning your content, structure is key. Every video should have a clear hook to grab attention in the first few seconds, deliver valuable content that keeps viewers watching, and end with a strong call to action. This structure not only helps with retention, but also encourages viewers to engage with your channel further. Speaking of retention, focus on higher retention video formats to boost your watch time. This might include tutorials, list videos, or in-depth explainers that keep viewers engaged for longer periods. The more watch time you accumulate, the more the YouTube algorithm will favor your content. Thumbnails can make or break your video's success. In 2025, scroll-stopping thumbnails are more important than ever. Use bold text, eye-catching images, and convey emotion to entice clicks. Remember, your thumbnail should work in tandem with your title to create curiosity and prompt viewers to click. Mastering YouTube SEO is crucial for getting your videos discovered. Optimize your titles, tags, and descriptions with relevant keywords. Use tools like TubeBuddy or Vidic to research popular search terms in your niche. Your title should be catchy and include your main keyword, while your description should provide value and include additional relevant keywords naturally. Consistency is key on YouTube. Develop a posting schedule and stick to it. Whether it's once a week or 3 times a week, regular uploads signal to both your audience and the algorithm that your channel is active and worth following. Use YouTube Analytics to understand when your audience is most active and schedule your uploads accordingly. In 2025, Shorts are still a powerful tool for channel growth. Create bite-sized content that complements your main videos and capitalizes on trending topics. This can help you reach new audiences and funnel viewers to your longer-form content. Engagement is crucial for channel growth. Respond to comments, create polls, and host live streams to build a strong community around your channel. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to share your content and become loyal subscribers. Collaborations are an excellent way to expand your reach. Partner with other creators in your niche or complementary niches to cross-pollinate audiences. This can lead to rapid subscriber growth and introduce your content to viewers who are already interested in similar topics. As a beginner, it's easy to fall into common traps. Avoid inconsistent posting, poor audio quality, and neglecting your channel branding. These mistakes can hinder your growth and make it harder to build a loyal audience. While monetization is often a goal for new creators, focus first on building trust and delivering real value to your audience. Consistently create high-quality content that solves problems or entertains your viewers. This foundation of trust will make monetization much easier down the line. When you're ready to monetize, don't limit yourself to ad revenue. In 2025, successful YouTubers diversify their income streams. Explore brand deals, affiliate marketing, and creating your own digital products or merchandise. These additional revenue streams can often surpass ad earnings, especially for niche channels. Regularly analyze your channel's performance using YouTube Analytics. Pay attention to which videos perform best in terms of views, watch time, and engagement. Use these insights to refine your content strategy and double down on what works for your audience. Take advantage of AI tools for editing, voiceovers, and subtitles. These can significantly reduce your production time, allowing you to focus more on content creation and audience engagement. However, always review and refine AI-generated content to ensure it aligns with your brand voice and quality standards. In 2025, mobile optimization is non-negotiable. With over 80% of YouTube traffic coming from mobile devices, ensure your content looks great on smaller screens. This means using larger text in your thumbnails, creating vertical content for shorts, and considering how your videos will appear on various devices. Finally, stay informed about YouTube algorithm changes and platform updates. The digital landscape evolves rapidly, and staying ahead of the curve can give you a significant advantage. Join creator communities, follow YouTube's official blog, and be ready to adapt your strategy as needed. Remember, starting a successful YouTube channel in 2025 is a journey that requires patience, persistence, and continuous learning. By following these strategies and staying committed to creating value for your audience, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving channel. So grab your camera, start planning your content, and take that first step towards YouTube success. The future of content creation is waiting for you.